Windows computer emergency. We've all been there, right? So that moment when your system needs a fresh start but you just don't have a bootable window installer on hand, don't worry, because today we're going to show you two awesome methods for creating one. It's easier than you think. Now let me introduce the amazing team who will be guiding you through this process. First up, on the Teach Demo side, we have the brilliant Biatingo, and showcase her teach mastery alongside Josh is the fantastic Daphne Jane Tuyor.
Hi, I'm host Biatingo.
Hi, I'm Daphne Jane Tuyor.
Alright team, ready to show everyone the good vibes and ways to create a bootable Windows installer?
Absolutely, let's do this.
Kuya Jack, anong karaan naman yung mga laptop? Wala ka planong i-update yung Windows 10?
Bili mo ka bang update ang Hyundai?
Ganin ipag-update sa Windows 10 kuya. So first, open ka sa karaan ng internet browser.
Sige.
Ikaduha, i-search diri ang Microsoft.com or software download. Magpili ka na unsay ganahan nimo nga Windows version.
Ganun sa Windows 10?
Ang ikatulo, kay i-download nimo. Ikaupat, gamita ang USB flash drive. Ikalima, ibutang nimo ang i-download nimo nga Windows 10.
Okay. Tada!
Another way para ma-update imo ang Windows is through Rufus application. So, mo na ang Rufus. Click yes. So, mo ni ang USB. Pag humani mo pagbutang sa USB, i-click nimo ang ready button. Then, close.
See, that wasn't so bad, right? Now you have two awesome methods for creating a bootable Windows installer. Thanks to the fantastic teach skills of Paul and Daphne.
You're welcome, Leslie. Glad you could help.
Remember, with the bootable USB on hand, you're always prepared to tackle those computer hiccups. Keep those good vibes flowing and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Until next time, happy tech tinkering!